Welcome to Graphics Way channel. How to make Adobe Illustrator support RTL language, right-to-left language, like Arabic and Hebrew. Adobe Asian composers enable you to create content in Middle Eastern and South Asian languages. You can type in and mix between Arabic, Hebrew, English, and other languages. Okay, let's begin. Before we start, let's write something in Arabic to see whether the program supports the Arabic language or not. The letters appear spaced and not attached, as is customary for the Arabic language. As you can see, the program does not support the Arabic language at the moment. Let's fix that. Go to Edit menu, Preferences, Type. New window will pop up. From the left, click on Type and check Show Indic Options. Then, click OK. After that, go to Window, Type, Paragraph. From the Paragraph menu, select Middle Eastern and South Asian Single Line Composer, or Middle Eastern and the South Asian Every Line Composer. As you can see, the program now supports the Arabic language correctly, as well as the Hebrew language. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.